رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Viewers, you're watching my YouTube channel, Free IT Education. In the previous lecture, we talked about jQuery effects, and today we're going to continue our lecture where we have left. We have used .text function and .html and .value. Today we're gonna expand on this function, and we're gonna use a callback function and to make a use of this particular function and try to introduce new things here. This is very interesting one, and there is a good usage in web designing and front-end development. Okay, so here we got two paragraphs, and within these two paragraphs you've got some text, some HTML text, and here, and we got two buttons: show old new text and show old new HTML text. So when we press this button, so what will happen? It will say that what is the original text within that paragraph, and what we have replaced this paragraph with a new paragraph. So when we press this button, which is a button 1 here, so when we click it, so we call a function .text, which is basically saying this element, which is the ID of paragraph, and take this is a function, we're calling a function, we're saying that the original text and index position, which means we are going to return it back into the paragraph. What we are returning, we are seeing original text, which is whatever the text as it is, show that as it is, and then add it up with the original text, a new text, which is a new text and hello world, and we have displayed the index position, which is like this is the text, and we want to concatenate with the plus sign, and this is the index position. So let's see that. So when you press that, here you can see that the old text it is saying, which is the old text and original text, which is this is a bold paragraph, and a new text hello word and index position 0. Okay, so this is just a text, but sometimes we are interested in to display the text making use of the HTML as well. So here we have made use of this thing. So in the button 2, when the button 2 is clicked, it's just gonna pick it up, this paragraph here, and now instead of saying .text, we are using .html, which is saying that pick it up the original text, the index position, and now we have put in like this B, which is a bold, like making a word as bold. So let me press that. See that? So the old HTML, which is this is another bold paragraph, and the new, which we have replaced, new HTML, hello world and index position, like that. So this was a usage of the text and HTML, but in the previous it was just nothing there, just a text and nothing there. But now we have expanded this previous function into a callback function. Okay, so moving forward, the next thing we're going to cover here what you can see that, so we have got an anchor tag here, so which is, you can see w3schools.com. so when you mouse over that, so you will see the URL. So if you keep looking here, so it will show the URL, which you can see that like https://w3schools.com. so if you click that, so it will show you that page there. So our target is we want to change this URL to something else. Okay, so this time what we are saying in here, so we got this button here, and all we are saying that when the button is clicked, and so you need to pick it up the anchor tag with ID, which is W3S, which is we picked it up that ID, and we are saying attribute, which these are called attributes of anchor tag. So it's got ID and href, which is the URL going to that site, and this is just the text for the user to see it. So what we are saying that change this URL to this, okay? So, and the way to change it, the attribute function, and we reference like the attribute href, and we replace the URL value with this. Let's see that. Okay, I press it. You might think that nothing has been changed, but it has changed. The magic is if you mouse over that and you keep looking in here, so you will see that the URL has been changed from w3schools.com to /query. We have added up /query, and the magic to prove it, if you click it, so you should see a jQuery tutorial rather than the W3 schools. Okay, so let's do this again. So mouse over that, so it's just W3 schools, and I want to press it, so this will change the URL, and now it's not W3 schools, it is going to another page, jQuery tutorial. Okay. Okay, so another one, what we're going to do, so a slightly different one, but here we're going to do is attribute. We're going to change the attribute. We are also going to change the title. It is some title, and we're going to make it a W3 schools jQuery title. So here you can see that it is w3schools.com in the URL. You can see it here. And if you press it, it will change it, the href, the URL, and also change it, the title. As you can see it is showing W3 School jQuery tutorial. Okay, so, and if you press that to just double check, and yes, it has changed it. This is a very powerful functionality within a jQuery, which will help you to just manipulate the attributes of the anchor tag or the attributes of the element within the HTML. Okay, so the power of jQuery is coming along. The more you learn it, the more you will enjoy it. And so the last one we're going to do is similar principle. So what we're seeing here is href function original value. The original value is basically this, and all we are doing is basically picking it up, which is this text here, and what we're doing, we're just adding it up, which is just concatenating this href with the /jQuery. So if you click onto this, so it is W3 schools, and if you press and change it, so it will change it, and the new URL has been changed, and it will take you to the jQuery page. Okay. Okay, so today we have covered a callback function within .text.html, and we have made a use of that, a callback function, and also we have changed the attribute of an element within the HTML, and we have also changed the title. Viewers, as I previously mentioned, don't forget to do these exercises. This will help you to just make sure that whatever you have learned, so you remember it and you can demonstrate the skills that you have learned. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and colleagues, so most of the people benefit from free IT education, and we will continue our journey of a free IT education for everyone. Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Thank you.